Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And we are about to head out to another late night car meet. We've had some pretty bad luck with the takeovers, but I think today should be better because we are going to a place of business, and I know for a fact they are not gonna go ahead and allow any of that nonsense to happen. So we're gonna see how this meet is. This is actually my first time going to this meet. The only reason why I'm going to these night meets, my homeboys in town, and obviously, you know, it's better than being cooped up in the house. So we'll see exactly what's going down. If you guys enjoy the content, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and let's get on the way. It's not too far, like 30 minutes. That's like where everything is at. Everything popping. Everything like 30-40 minutes away in Texas. But I think we should be good, hopefully. Gas station not too busy. Finally have some decent weather too, which is a massive W. All right, let's head out, ladies and gentlemen.
Turn right onto North Freeway Service Road.
Yes, sir. I'm praying this is actually a pretty good spot because, like, we have been getting pretty unlucky with these meets, man. Last week, you know what? Thank you. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt because the weather was garbage. So in all reality, cars aren't going to be popping out.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to merge onto I-45 South.
But man, it's about 70 degrees out right now. It don't really feel like 70. It's kind of cool. Hopefully this meet's actually pretty legit. We are going to be hitting the tail end of rush hour as well, so it is what it is.
Use the left lane to keep left to merge onto I-45 South.
Yes, ma'am. Woo!
Keep left.
I'm seeing quite a bit of traffic, ladies and gentlemen. But we are about to be closing in on that Texas 2K time. Like literally like 2 weeks. Legitimately. Actually, technically, like less than 2 weeks. And I'll be making my way towards Dallas. Oh my gosh, look at all this traffic.
In 3/4 of a mile,
Yep.
take exit 60B to merge onto Sam Houston Tollway west towards Bush Intercontinental Airport.
I'll probably hit you guys up when we get closer to the meet, or if somebody wants to go ahead and get frisky on the highway, who knows? We'll see. A lot of traffic though, so I highly doubt that will happen, but hey, you never know.
One eternity later.
Alright, well, I'm trying to find out exactly where this place is supposed to be. I think it's back here. This is my first time going here, so I don't know. There's a G80 right there. Okay, it's gotta be right here.
Arrived.
Oh, we can park right there. actually is a nice little spot, I ain't gonna lie. I think Cam, it kind of reminds me of like the OG like bombshells beats, no cap. Let's take a look at this. I've seen this before. It's pretty badass. Twin turbo. That thing's nice. LS swapped it. Hell yeah. Look at the interior, man. Might be a little bit hard to see, but it's mint in there.
R&D, research and development tax credits. So there's a good variety of things that I
I'm trying to capture everything before we have zero visibility.
There's a lot of people here.
Finally not a takeover, right?
Yeah, facts. These 500.
I've been in some big trucks that's tricked out like that. Hardwood floors and chrome everywhere.
K24 swap, BRZ, that's sick. Yeah. That's actually sick. Got a Terminator over here. Yeah, it's nice. That car is mint. Ooh, we got Lambo. Damn, I still take the Terminator, I ain't gonna lie. Actually, no, I lied. I take the Lambo, I go get like a couple Terminators. Let's be real. Damn. C7Z.
Like an hour after I got the and then following it was a single cab TRX.
This is what we both need, no cap.
I know. Play 2.9 seconds.
This is what we both need, no cap.
Yeah, I don't know. It's either C7Z or M4 Comp.
I did the C7.
I don't know if I'm ready to hop in the American Muscle yet.
So you need to get into it. Kenny Bell GT500. Shit. That's what's up. Dang, kind of hard to see, but it's kind of hard to see, but Kenny Bell GT500. Other C8, a lot of C8s here. Got a ZR1.
Oh, another red C8.
Nah, it's kind of like a.
Yeah, it's not red.
It's
like,
kind of like a like a wine color.
Yeah.
Got a Mach 1.
Dude, I missed this. I didn't know how I didn't see this.
I like the carbon vents. That's actually crazy. I like that. Got the Apex wheels. I like the wheels too. Oh, he's got different brakes on it too. AP Racing. Damn, look at the seats though too. You got a cage in there. You probably can't even see in this, but that's tough, bro.
Takes it out.
Yeah, this is tough. You be tracking this shit.
I'm glad to see people actually do it though. Like
That's actually pretty
man,
cool.
that one dude in my comment section, I don't even have anything but water in my cup holders.
That thing is clean. It's pretty badass. Look at this. It's got the polished blower and everything on it.
Yeah, it's a decent meat.
Damn.
Nothing crazy. Like not like that housing.
Man. That's pretty sick.